everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 875 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out a product that I got in my June 2020 BoxyCharm Premium box. This is the KVD Vegan Beauty Inkwell Longwear Matte Eyeliner that I got in the shade Black. Technically it's called Trooper Black. But so I actually got this in BoxyCharm last month in the Lolita shade, which is more of like a mauve pink purple shade. And I remember being excited that I got a colored liquid eyeliner because I always say I'm so tired of getting black liquid eyeliners, but I must have jinxed myself because of course this month I get a black liquid eyeliner. But if you want to see the review that I did on the Lolita shade of this eyeliner, I'll have that video linked down below. I can also have my unboxing video of my June 2020 BoxyCharm Premium box linked in the description down below if you want to see all of the products I got this month. I honestly was not a big fan of the Lolita shade of this. I felt like it was dry, which made it hard to use. I don't really know why this one wouldn't be the same way, but I still wanted to try it out and just give it a fair chance. So this retails for $20, and let me show you the applicator. It says to shake it. It does seem to have, you can hear a little shaker ball in there. I do like the packaging on this. But so the applicator, it's a felt tip, which is flexible and comfortable. It writes nicely. I do like the matte finish to this. So let me go ahead and apply it to my upper lash line. Before I do that, I just want to show you the applicator. It is very pointy, which makes it a little bit easier to use. You can be more precise. So now I'm going to line my upper lash line. And something that is good about this is that because it is such a pointy applicator, you can get a very skinny line. However, it's almost too flexible that now it's bent and not writing in the right direction. It's weird. It's like bent at an angle, which makes it really tricky to use. This is a nice full black color. However, it's not gliding on very easily. I can't get a super smooth line. And it does seem to dry out, but it doesn't seem as dry as the Lolita version because I was able to do the entire line with just that first amount on my applicator. I did just dip back in to get a little bit more to try and do a little bit of a wing. I'm really not great at wings, but since this is such a small applicator, I might be able to do it a little bit better. It is feeling a lot drier now, and that's kind of what happens. Like at first, the eyeliner could be pretty inky, as I like to say, but you know, now it's like a couple seconds later and it's already seeming dry. But that wing works out pretty nicely. You can see it's pretty sharp, pretty easy to do. So this does seem to be a nice formula. I like how dark black it is, and I like that matte finish. And I like how pointy the applicator is, but I don't like how it is now at an angle and how it seems to get really dry. But I kind of feel like I'm having more success with this one than with the Lolita version. I also like that since it is such a skinny, pointy applicator, I can get all the way down to the lower lash line, which is really important to me. I don't like when there's some separation and you can see the eyelid in between the lashes. And also, this is a very small amount of product. It looks big because of, you know, the wand here, but really that is a tiny bit of product to get for $20. I definitely struggle with my wing because it doesn't draw completely smooth and it really feels dry now. So I do like this finished look. I like how this black eyeliner looks. So to me, this is a decent black eyeliner. I feel like $20 is too expensive to pay for just a liquid black eyeliner, just because there are so many great inexpensive ones. For example, e.l.f. makes a really good liquid eyeliner that's kind of a similar type of application as this one. So I don't dislike it. I like how it looks on my eyes now. Definitely not the easiest application, and this is not my favorite black liquid eyeliner, but since I have it, it's a product that I would use again. I think that my liquid eyeliner skills have to be getting a little bit better. Like, they're not 100% symmetrical, but they're getting a little bit more symmetrical, the wings that I do, right? Well, at least I'm able to get a lot of practice with my liquid eyeliner and winged eyeliner skills because of all of the liquid eyeliners that I have now that I seem to get every single month in my beauty subscription boxes. Well, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.